What's up, guys? We're back at it again with another video for the unboxing of the Stage 2 comp clutch. We got Jared out here.
What up?
And then, of course, the trans. So, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. I ordered this from the Gen Coupe store or Tim Herber on Facebook. I'll put the link down in the description. But let's get to it. So, we open it up, and obviously, we got some Competiton clutch ad stuff going on here. And then we'll remove the foam. So first off, I've already been through here, so everything's a little bit off. So we'll remove the pressure plate first, which looks great, honestly. I mean, you have the comp clutch logo up top, all that good stuff. And then you have the clutch alignment tool that comes with it. For me, I opted out to get the new slave cylinder because that's what died over there. So we got the new slave cylinder for it. That's the OEM one, or the Exetti one. And then we have, let's see, we got these ones should be the pressure plate bolts. The bigger ones are gonna end up being the flywheel bolts. And then we have the Stage 2 clutch disc in there, looking good. Got the Kevlar plate. But this is going to be all going into the Genesis today. So we got STI guy here today. Want to plug the channel, Jared?
STI guy. Surreal STI. Go check me out, guys. Go show me some love.
There you go. Alright, so, and then of course we got the stainless steel clutch line as well. We're going all out with this one today. And then we have the flywheel. The lightweight flywheel from Comp Clutch. Puppy's got some weight. You know, it looks pretty good. Clean disc. Definitely a different backing than OEM. So, same toothing though as OEM. This guy's over here doing push-ups. He's getting prepped and ready for us to rip this trans back out there. But that's pretty much everything that's going to come in the box from you guys. With all in all, with everything, it was around, I think it was like $9.40 for everything. So that's not too bad, and the shipping was actually pretty quick. It was like 2 days it got to my house. So it came from like Wisconsin, and it got to PA, southern PA, and within like 2 days. So that's pretty good. But besides that, I just wanted to make a quick update video for your guys. Got him out there plugging his channel, and yeah, we're gonna get the Genesis up and running again with some new parts. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below. Also, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to subscribe to this guy's YouTube channel, he's going to be posting more videos too with the STI he has and the Gixxer 750 as well. So, check it out down in the description. And also, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.